Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here. Today I'll be recording another video on how to build an octowall. Now in my last video I absolutely promise you guys I'm going to turn on an octowall, and here it is. But I might have to make a part 2 because, well, there's a lot more features to octowall than I did show on my last octowall video. Now, before I start, what does octo mean? Octo means 8, which means you're obviously going to need a good amount of dominoes, and it's going to have 8 sides. Now, when it first starts, you're going to place the domino just like this, horizontally. Now, you want to place another domino to the side, diagonal from it, about a domino height apart, around that length. Build each domino so you can make it however you want. And we're going to repeat this with the other sides. And boom, already done. So far, so simple. Now, I forgot to mention this, but it's by far the easiest 3D structure, in my opinion. So now, for our second layer, we're going to put a domino diagonally across these two. We're gonna do that with the rest of these. And now you might have to adjust the dominoes. That way they fit. But that's no problem. And then bam, second layer done. Now, as you can see, we have 8 sides as in octawall. Meaning 8. Now this, and then these 2 steps you just have to repeat. I'm not gonna do a timer so you can get the information as clear as possible. And we'll do 8 layers. Since it's 8 sides, we'll do 8 layers. Okay, we are halfway through. We have 5 layers, and like I said, same steps. And it still has that kind of shape. So 10 to 6th layer. Okay, 6th layer done. Now do the 7th, 8th, and 9th. And I'm getting more dominoes because I don't have enough. I stashed them right here because that makes sense. Okay, we are, I believe, our 8th layer. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 8th. And now for our 9th and 10th. Okay, last layer. And bam, done. Octawall. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna face the camera here. It's not perfect. It's definitely not perfectly shaped, but hey, not everything's perfect. Now, this is basically just an octo tower. The octawall consists of 2 or more octo towers. Now, I am going to reveal this, but in order to knock down the octo tower, it's gonna be a bit more difficult. So I'm gonna make a part 2 of that since there's a lot more features to this. Now, for our final step is to knock it down. Now, I don't have really any special equipment to, or maybe I should say equipment, any giant dominoes to knock this down. So excuse me, so you can use like field starters or just giant sticks. So we're gonna pretend that this is a domino. And that's how it works. Now usually it wouldn't go as fast. It would probably start from top and probably just slowly fall. But yes, now I'm just gonna try this. That's okay. Now we're gonna show you how to make an octowall. Now this is gonna be a bit more complicated, and this time we're gonna build 10 layers instead of just a normal 8. But we're gonna just do 2 towers. You can make as much as you want. On my last video when I did octowall, I did like 10 towers. I don't fully remember. It was like 2 months ago. I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm sorry. But yeah. Okay. Now. Oh, I just lost the top now. Don't worry, I'll get it later. Now, same step. Now, first build your first 2 layers. On your third layer, you're gonna do something a bit different. And boom, 2 layers done. Now you're separate here and you give it a separate octo tower since it's called octowall, so you have multiple of them. Yeah, it makes sense. Now you want this to be about a domino high apart, just like the normal ones. Now you're gonna see a bit of a different connection between the domino towers than usual. But don't worry, it's very simple. Yeah, the 2 layers done. Now to connect these, it's very simple. Please. 2 diamonds like that. Okay, second one. But now the tower's connected. I would prefer doing this connection 3 or 4 layers. But we're just gonna do 10 layers, so we're gonna need to do it 2 times. So let's continue building our octowall. So I'm probably gonna build another connection on like my sound layer. So I would prefer doing that. I have 3 or 4 layers. Okay, now we got this done. See, it looks totally normal. 8 layers. Except this one looks a bit different. If I'll give you a different perspective. So let me fix this real quick. Now I have big and unsteady fingers, so I'm trying to go as fast as possible for you guys. I'm sorry. Oh no. Here, that's a good thing. If you're holding it, oh, I can't get it. Curse these large hands. Now I prefer holding the dominoes like this. That way, if you accidentally tip the domino somewhere, you have a chance of like catching it. But with the octowall, it most likely won't knock it down. It'll just like fall in the center and just fall off the edge. So it's not all bad. Okay, I'm gonna need a lot more dominoes. I might run out more dominoes. I have more of them out there, but I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so I might have to stop early. That's okay, right? Now, if you're going to make like an octowall, making it like different colors really like really spices it up. Looks very pretty. I did it with my last octowall. If you didn't notice, I thought it looked extremely cool. I hope you guys saw as well. But I don't know if we'll need to use another color. Just blue. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Oh, so we're at 5 layers. So we're about to build our last layer, so we have to do our node connection. What am I doing? Sorry guys, I messed up. My brain wasn't working. Ooh. I don't know. Don't worry. That's okay. I'm really not the best at this. Don't worry, guys. This is a recent trick I've learned, so I still need some practice. You have to say, practice makes perfect. Now, I did do another connection, but I wanted to do it early just in case I didn't want to. I just want to prevent anything to mess up. So I did do like a layer 2 before I said I would do it. It's not the end of the world. Stock of dominoes. Okay, we are on our 7th layer, and I think we might have enough dominoes. Can't be entirely sure. We'll think about this. It's 4 for every layer. We're doing 10 layers, so it's 40 dominoes. So yeah, we're probably got enough. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's basically our 9th layer, so we're on our last layer. And they have the octowall. Now, yes, I know, not the best thing. I did do a connection a bit early, so if you were about to do this, I would consider not doing this. It's not the best idea. I just want to change it a bit. So you probably put like the 7th layer around that, But you can always change it if you want. No, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but there's only one last thing to do. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that was loud. I did this on a hard surface. It was also very fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.